Good morning, guys. It is day one of Monterey Car Week. I am out at beautiful 17-mile drive with a SL63 Black Series thanks to Mercedes. Now, I'm doing a full review on the car, so stay tuned for that video. But here is a quick little look around one of the coolest Mercedes ever made. I love the flared fenders, the naturally aspirated V8. I think it is such a classic design. All right. 17-mile we go. Doesn't get much better than this. Driving a Black Series with the most beautiful view in the entire world. Well, just when I thought my day couldn't get any better, driving the CLK Black Series around 17-mile drive, Mercedes said, hey, take out the new SL63. This thing is absolutely insane, and I'm going to be doing a full point of view drive of the car, but here's some details for you. The first Mercedes SL was released in 1952. 70 years later, we have the new generation SL. Now, for the first time, it has rear axle steering. For the first time, it's also all-wheel drive. And it only comes in AMG form. So we've got the entry-level SL55, and this, the more powerful SL63, with 577 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 happens in 3.5 seconds. We'll go ahead and hop on the interior. Check out how cool this interior is, starting with the Burmester high-end audio. That design is insane. The seat controls are a work of art, carbon fiber, AMG. Now this is a 2+2, so it's got seats in the back, unlike the AMG GT, although you've got to have really small legs to actually fit back there. It's also a soft top, which saves 50 pounds over the hard top. Hopping in, reveals one of the coolest dashes I have ever seen. Check out how cool this tachometer is when I rev. They go outwards to the sides. I've never seen anything like that before. Now, one of this car's party tricks is its tilting screen. Because it's a convertible, sometimes there's glare like there is right now. So you can actually change the angle of the screen by swiping, and it'll raise up or down to eliminate glare. How crazy is that? Now, coming along to the steering wheel, we've got these really cool controls to the left and to the right. Here are the drive mode selectors. I'm in race, there's Sport Plus, there's Sport. Of course, we're gonna be in race mode, but you also have some individual controls down here as well. We can change this to just the suspension to go into Sport Plus. You can also tap on this button to change which element you're actually affecting. That rear wing, traction control. Look at the flames on the screen, my gosh. That was really cool. How do I get that graphic again? Wow, I love it. Later on, I'm going to be posting the point of view drive video of the SL63, so make sure to check that out. We'll circle back at the next car show, Legends of the Autobahn. Oh, that exhaust. Are you kidding? Not to spoil the review, but I absolutely love this thing. That might be the best license plate so far. Some cool Ferrari race cars in the parking lot. Spectacular looking 993 Porsche Turbo. It rained last night, and what was a beautifully clean car is now disease-ridden. Look at that, a GT3, your favorite car. Loving the color on this Mercy. Back in the McLaren now, and we're headed to a show called Legends of the Autobahn. Like it sounds, it's an all-German car show with some of the coolest BMWs, Mercedes, and Audis you've ever seen. Bye-bye 17-mile. That thing is cool. One of my favorite parts about Monterey Car Week is that most of the shows are at golf courses on the fairways and the greens, and it's such a beautiful backdrop. Let's take a tour of Legends of the Autobahn. Starting off strong with a supercharged E92 M3, beautiful BBS rims, and look how cool that intake on the ESS supercharger is. Really clean looking new generation M4. I love the deep green, and they've fixed a lot of the front end with what I believe is a Vorsteiner front grille kit in all carbon fiber. Gorgeous BBS wheels on the side, and I love that they've painted this color matched to the exterior. Wow, those intakes are crazy. I swear every time I mention I miss my E39 M5, these things follow me around. We've got a full Dynan E39, super clean. Check this out. I like the license plate as well. Dynan wheels, upgraded Brembo brakes, super clean engine bay as well, Dynan intakes. I'm jealous. We saw this on the route up to Monterey Car Week, but E46 M3 wagon conversion, that is just so cool. Props to this guy. Looks like completely redid the interior, exterior, obviously engine swapped as well. That is wild. I don't know why I think these are so cool, but that shape is just awesome. Look at that, another E46 M3. They never made a 4-door version of the E46 M3, but somebody's done a conversion. That is wild. Color matched ski box on the roof of this M3. That looks really cool, actually. Another super clean E39. The launch color on the M5 CS is so epic. I love the matte green and those bronze wheels. Another crazy color combo on this E46. How do you guys feel about those gold wheels? There's actually an overwhelming amount of epic German cars everywhere you can see. Another one of my favorite Mercedes ever made, the Mercedes McLaren SLR. Just look at the length of this hood, and I love how it opens. And the fact that the hood actually has cutouts for the headlights as well as the emblem. That looks absolutely crazy. Fits that massive V8 engine. And those beautiful butterfly doors. Another Mercedes I've actually never heard of, the 250 GD. It's kind of a convertible G-Wagon, and it's also kind of a safari vehicle. How cool is this? Open in the rear, tons of storage space back here, extra fuel. That is epic. I really like this dual spoke steering wheel. That's so funky. Matte black SLR, absolutely sinister. I guess I've never really taken a great look at the taillights on the SLR. That pattern is so cool. Doesn't get much better than this. The 300 SL Gullwing, inventor of the Gullwing doors because of its aluminum space frame. For rigidity, they had to make the sill so wide down here that conventional doors didn't really make sense. So the invention was these gullwing doors, which are absolutely iconic. Two of my favorite BMWs, the BMW 1M next to a beautiful Z8. I've actually never done a review on the 1M and really need to get behind the wheel. Wow, I'm in love with this color combo. It's kind of a reddish orange. I can't actually tell what color that is. Crazy cream interior. Look at that manual transmission. Closer look at the M4 CSL, the most hardcore performance variant of the new M4. I love the kind of battleship gray color scheme. And then the iconic BMW M1. Looks like they're actually checking out the back. I've never seen in the engine bay of an M1. Look at the interior of this thing. How cool is the Marlboro livery on this BMW 2002? I love that it's got the kind of McLaren F1 style gold foil. And look at that beautiful engine. Slammed purple SQ5. It's funny seeing an SUV that's lower than most sedans. How crazy is the color combo on this R8? I'm assuming it's on bags because it legitimately is dumped to the ground lower than my finger. The interior is bonkers. Look at these two beasts, the Audi 90 Quattro and the Audi 200 Quattro, also slammed to the ground. I love the aero disc wheels. They should bring that back on an actual production car Audi. These things are just breathtaking. I love the double wing too. And then look at the wing on the 200. It's almost like a NASCAR style. Loving the color combo on this Audi S2. Beautiful white wheels with center locks. That is pretty wild. Come around the front. It's a cool looking little car. Powered by Porsche. NSU Prinz 1000. This car was before Audi, and it's a rear engine. How crazy is this? So Audi was formed merging 4 companies together, and apparently this one forms one of the rings. I love it. How funny is this thing? An Audi TT with a crazy custom interior, and then it's got a TT rotating on the back there. That is incredible. Slammed B5 generation Audi, and look how sinister this lowered RS6 is. The Audi RSQ8, aka a Urus with a lesser price tag, looks honestly so cool with the carbon fiber add-ons and in matte black. that sounds cool. And over in this section, we have another endless array of classic BMWs. On the list of things I never expected to see at Car Week, which is a phrase that doesn't really make sense because it's full of things that don't make any sense, is seeing somebody drive a non-street legal, yes, this is a track-only Senna GTR. So they have the Senna, which you can drive on the road, but this is the track-only lighter weight variant. How crazy is that front bumper with these carbon fiber canards? Look at the side vents. Look at that massive rear wing. This thing is so damn cool. It's got a license plate on it, but I know this isn't a street legal converted one. Check out that titanium exhaust with those burnt tips. Another E39 M5, let's go. Can't really see inside, but get a load of that steering wheel. The front splitter on this car is actually a work of art. Look at the airflow goes down through here. There's vents in the front bumper itself. 2 levels of lights, all of the airflow through there. Oh my God. Vents over the fenders there. I'm obsessed with this. You can take a peek through the little windows in the door. And that rear diffuser is just next level. I believe this is a quick air jack. Lift the car up off the road so you can switch those wheels, center lock wheels of course. Although it looks like they put it on road legal tires. They aren't full slicks. Maybe these are for the rain. But props to this guy for driving this on the street. Look at this traffic jam right now. We got a Pininfarina Battista and the Senna GTR being driven on the road again. God damn, look at that thing. Nice 430 Scuderia too. Then we got Bros Automotive Detailing, what's good? Another CLK Black Series, let's go. So there's only 75 of those Senna GTRs in the world, and they cost north of $2 million. The crazy part is, while the Senna's performance was already insane, it's got an extra 25 horsepower more than the Senna. The dry curb weight of the GTR is just 2,600 pounds, making it one of the lightest cars ever, especially in modern times. 2,600 pounds and 815 horsepower. That is absolutely insane. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. Make sure to check out the next couple of days of content because the reveals at Quail are absolutely insane.